Hey Kickstarter, we all know how difficult it is to produce dynamic video content. All of the sliders and tripods and support equipment that you have to carry around with you make it much more difficult, right? Well, not anymore. Meet Trexo wheels.
YouTubers, visual content creators, vloggers, you know how important to have dynamic shots on a video. Meet the world's first tabletop dolly that you can make route planning with image processing technology easy and fast. We worked on different scenarios to fulfill your needs. Trexo wheels can perform linear and circular movements without using a mobile device. Only thing you need is to teach the route you want to perform. And also with long dolly in-out shots, you can take advantage of the shadow depth of field for amazing visuals. With the help of the intuitive iOS and Android applications, it's easy to control the Trexo wheels. Application connects instantly when you unfold the Trexo wheels. With the turntable kit, you can use Trexo wheels as a product turntable for 360 photography and videos. Sometimes we need complicated camera movements for multi-scene shots. That's why we developed the Camera Path mode, which uses image processing technology for sophisticated paths. With Loop feature, Trexo wheels is a great solution for interviews, B-roll, or any other static shots. Just set it and forget it for perfect cinematic movement. Sometimes we need several takes to make it perfect. If you need to repeat the movement, use the buttons on the Trexo wheels or the smartphone app to take it to initial position and repeat movement as much as you want. With single tap, you can convert a movement to a time-lapse. Just a few parameters and you're good to go without any annoying calculations. Our experienced team has packed unprecedented level of technology inside the Trexo wheels. We have already introduced great cinematic solutions such as Red Dot award-winning Trexo Arc Gimbal, and Trexo Moco Car is world's first motion control-equipped gimbal car.
We have now put our experience and knowledge into Trexo wheels. Join us and be one of the first in the world to have this unique product.